Welcome to our tutorial on adding additional services when booking your shipment with Ship4wd. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step. After completing your contact details, you'll have the option to add additional services to your shipment order. We offer three types of additional services: customs clearance, an ISF service, cargo insurance, and pre-shipment inspection. Let's see how you can add these services to your order. To add our customs clearance service, click on the Add button. Whether you're handling this process with us or another service provider, remember that customs declaration, including the formal declaration, importer security filing, ISF, and a customs bond, is mandatory for importing commercial goods into the U.S. Here you can select details about your customs process. The base service includes declaration to the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, covering up to 5 commodities and 1 invoice header. If you need to add additional features like importer security filing, ISF, you can choose that option. If you already have your own ISF, select the corresponding option below. For U.S. import bonds, which are required for all importers, you can select I have my own continuous bond if you already have one. If not, you can choose annual, continuous bond, for a year-long coverage, an option that includes ISF, or single entry bond for infrequent importers. After selecting the option that works best for you, click Confirm. If you want to estimate the duties of your imports, click Import Cost Calculator. Here, you can add details of your cargo, such as HTS code, the quantity and unit of measure, unit cost, and the country of manufacture. To add more commodities, click Add Commodity. Once done, click Calculate. Note that this service cost does not include duties and charges, and the duty cost is an estimate. The actual duties will be determined by U.S. authorities and cargo clearance, and must be paid directly to the customs broker or U.S. authorities. To continue your shipment order and add additional services, click Back to Bookings. If you want to add cargo insurance, click Add. LoadSure Cargo Insurance Service, provided through a partnership with Ship4wd, is an all-risk insurance coverage with a fully digital claims process and a pay-as-you-go insurance model without long-term contracts. To calculate the value of your insurance, enter the cargo invoice value and click Calculate Insurance. Once you have your estimate, click Add Insurance to include the coverage in your order. For pre-shipment inspection, which includes on-site inspections of your suppliers before shipping your cargo, and a comprehensive final inspection report for accurate shipment quality assessment, click Add. This service is billed at fixed prices for daily inspections. If you need to remove or make changes, click Remove or Change Features for the specific service you wish to edit. On the right side, under Additional Services, you can see a summary of the services you added. And there you have it. You've successfully added additional services to your shipment order. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of Ship4wd's platform. Thanks for watching.